Sainam children, welcome back to our chapter Foods We Eat. Okay, so we are going to study the story or to read the story of Vipul's family. Okay, and this is the second part of our chapter. There are four members in Vipul's family. There are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Okay, four members in the Vipul's family means father, mother, Vipul, and Vipul's sister. Okay, and some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Okay, all members like different food, children, and we also have the same situation in our houses. Okay, so do you think these people do not eat and cannot eat what Vipul eats, or what should this happens? Why should this happens? Maybe they don't like that Vipul eats, or maybe they are not able to eat because of some health issues. Okay, let us read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta corn on the cob. Okay. Vipul returning home and brought a bhutta. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Muni? I want to see her." Then he is asking about Muni, that where is she, and he want to see her. His mother replied, "Muni is in the room upstairs." And his mother what said? Then Muni is in her room. Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." Now Vipul calling her grandmother to come upstairs. His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." Now what her mother do? She soaked बास चपाती इन दाल मीन्स उन्होंने दाल के अंदर चपाती को क्या किया, मिक्स कर दिया, सो दैट इट बिकम soft. Okay, and so that the grandmother can eat, because maybe of old age grandmother don't having teeth. Okay, have you put sugar in the dal, said Dadi to Vipul's mother. Now Dadi is asking that have you put sugar in the dal? Then I have tasted the dal, it has been prepared well, replied Vipul's mother. Now Vipul's mother is saying that I have prepared well and it is good in taste, I have tasted. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. Now what Vipul did? He picked up grandmother's plate and ran upstairs and asked her to follow him quickly. And he called grandmother to upstairs. Okay. When I was of your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said Dadi. Now what Vipul's Dadi say? Then when she is in the age of Vipul, she can run up a hill in the same time as he is running on the stairs. Okay. जैसे विपुल सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहा है, उसकी दादी कहती है मैं ऐसे पहाड़ियों पे चढ़ जाती थी. ओके, विपुल गेव द भुट्टा ही वॉज ईटिंग टू हिज मामी, washed his hands and lifted little Munni. Now what Vipul did? Vipul gave bhutta he was eating to his mommy. Okay, he gave bhutta to his mommy or aunt. Okay, washed his hand and lifted little Munni. Now what he did? He washed his hand and put little Munni in his hand. So suddenly Munni started crying. She is hungry, said mommy, and she sat down to feed Munni. Now Munni is hungry, that's why mommy started feeding him. Now who are the members in Vipul family? Vipul, Vipul's mother, Vipul's grandmother, and Vipul's mommy. Four people, and mommy's little daughter Munni. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Because Dadi was old. Okay. How does Dadi like to have her dal? Dadi like to have her dal with a sugar, with a little bit sugar. What kind of dal do you like? Now children, in this you can like whatever kind of dal you like, sweet or spicy. Okay. How many person in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? Vipul's mother and mommy only can eat bhutta because they are young and they have teeth. The grandmother can't eat because she don't have teeth, and Munni is too little to eat bhutta. Okay. Can all old people eat bhutta? And why? No, all old people can't eat bhutta because all old people don't have all the teeth in their mouth. Okay. For 4 months Munni will have only her mother's milk, that is her only food. Why? Because Munni is too little to eat another food, and before 6 months other food is not allowed to any child. Okay. Now what they can eat and what they can't eat, this activity I will give you in the question answer also, but we will discuss. Child, they can drink milk. Okay. They can drink mother's milk, or they can eat cerelac. Okay. Then what they can't eat, they can't eat chapati, they can't eat bhutta and all. Okay. Young people, they can eat everything whatever they want. Two things you have to write, and they can't eat what they don't like. Okay. And old people can eat soft and soluble things easily, but they can't eat hard things. Okay. Hard and tough things. So this was about things that we can or cannot eat. So children, I will fulfill this activity in my answer PDF, so don't worry about it. Okay. Put on the things that you like to eat often. Now in this chart, you have to put a circle on the things that you often eat. Okay. जो ज़्यादातर आप लोग खाते हो. Most of our food is made of different things depending on what grows easily at what place. Now we eat mostly those crops that are easily grown in our area. Different things are eaten at different places. Now at different places different things are grown, different crops are grown, and that are their seasonal crops, or that are their staple crop. Okay. Find out, and that are their staple food. Okay. Find out where each of the above thing is eaten more, and the above things which are where these things are eaten more. Okay. We are not only different things, but we also use the same thing to prepare a variety of food items. Like wheat is used for chapati, and wheat is used for many other purposes. Rice is used for pulao and many other purposes. Then all these things we have to write. Okay. That for what other purposes wheat and rice are used. Okay. Rice is used for making kheer, rice is used for making sweet rice dishes, and rice is used for making idli, rice is used for making dosa, like this. Okay. Write the names of 3 food items you like to eat and 3 you dislike. This is your choice, children. Whatever you like you can write, and rest the all other question answer I will do in my PDF. Okay. Now let us know what people like to eat. Hensi is a girl. She lives in Valsad, and my mother and I both love to eat undio. What they love? They love to eat undio. Who? Hensi and her mother. Whenever we feel like eating it, we go to farmhouse and eat undio. Okay, like undio. Okay, umbadiyu and undio are same dishes. Okay, and the second girl is Juni. She lives in Kashmir. She like fish cooked in mustard oil. Okay, once she had gone to Goa, where she eat fish and it tastes very different, and her mother says it was a she fish cooked in coconut oil, it had to be different, and that fish is cooked in coconut oil and it is a she fish, that's why its taste is different. Now Thomas is a boy who lives in Kerala, who like to eat 2 items both grown in his courtyard. One grows on a tall tree and other grown on ground. So it is a great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. Okay, what he like to eat? Tapioca. Tapioca means sabudana. Okay, and एक कड़ी भी बनती है उसके साथ, जो किस में बनती होती है? कोकोनट ऑयल में. ओके, इट टेस्ट वेरी गुड. Now all these question answer PDF I will send you, children, and with this our chapter is completed, and soon you will get the PDF of the full chapter. So children, don't take it hectically, and it is a very easy chapter and interesting chapter. I will send you all question answer PDF. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Sai Ram.